Hello students, I myself Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya Srigonda, District Srigonda, District Ahmednagar. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University Pune and the SYBC syllabus is the CBCS syllabus to be implemented from academic year 220 to 221. Today, I delivered a lecture on taxonomy of angiosperm and plant ecology, chapter Introduction of Ecology. This chapter is included in the credit second plant ecology. In this introduction of ecology, there is another sub-article, species diversity, article number 2, species diversity. We have completed or I delivered lecture on introduction of ecology, definition of ecology, concept of ecology, interdisciplinary approaches of ecology, at ecology, autoecology and scene ecology. Today we learn second article or second subunit, species diversity. In the species diversity, that is distribution of species in various areas or various geographical areas. In species diversity, there are some points: definition, concept, scope, alpha species diversity, beta species diversity and gamma species diversity. What is the introduction of species diversity? Species diversity and biological diversity are widely used terms in ecology. Biodiversity and species diversity, these two terms are widely included or termed or used in ecology. Different authors have defined biodiversity in their own way and perceptions. Biodiversity is commonly defined as the species of particular geographical area or the number of species in a particular geographical area called biodiversity. Our planet Earth is full of different of species of plants, animals, fungi, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes. Earth is unique differences of these species. These differences and variations are referred to as diversity. What is meant by diversity? The differences and variations on our planet or on our area is called diversity. The diversity of species, diversity of genus, diversity of genetics, diversity of animals, diversity of pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm, bryophyte, algae, fungi, lichens. These are various types of diversity because of in some geographical area or in our area there is various types of plants in our garden or in our area or our tahsil. There are many species distributed in the area and these species shows variations in their structure, functions, habitat. A conservation of biology, Thomas Lovejoy used the term biodiversity. Conservation of biodiversity, this term used by biologist Thomas Lovejoy. He defined biological diversity or coined the term biological diversity. Biological diversity is also called as biodiversity. Thus, Walter Rosen in 1986 coined the term, Walter Rosen in 1986 coined the term biodiversity. Thus, biodiversity is defined as total of sum of genus, species and ecosystem in an area. The term biodiversity often used as an abbreviated form or word for biological diversity. That is, biological diversity is also called as biodiversity. Biodiversity is the total number of variations or variability of living organisms. That is, what is meant by biodiversity? Biodiversity means the total number of plants or species variations and their variability. It also can be defined as the survival of variety of living organisms, the survival and the variability of living organisms in our earth or in our planet. These are introduction of species diversity. Then concept of species diversity. The term biological diversity abbreviated, which is now very widely used not only by the scientists but also the human, public group, NGOs, environmental groups, conservationists, industrialists, politicians and economists. It has also gained a very high profile in the national and international level. It has also gained very high profile in the national and international level, that is conservation of biodiversity, conservation of wildlife animals, conservation of forest plants, conservation of desert plants, conservation of water. The concept of species diversity spans range of organizational level, that is it is important to specify how it is being used. That is genetic level, nucleus, cell, tissue, organ and plant. Species diversity is important character of community structures because of there are thousands of species in that community and you studied number of species and variability in our area. Species diversity is important term for ecosystem. Diversity within species is genetic diversity, ecosystem diversity, or diversity between the species and species is species diversity. Diversity at ecology level or habitat, diversity at ecological level or habitat level is called ecosystem diversity or ecological diversity. Some ecologists have included fourth term of diversity called landscape diversity, that is genetic diversity, species diversity, ecological diversity, and third term of some ecologists use the fourth term included in the ecology, that is landscape diversity. Within population there are variation types of height, weight, mass, discontinuous sex, genetic blood group. These are various differences in the population. Variations are observed in the time and space between successive generation seasons. There is spatial temporal variation in species distributions. These are concepts of species diversity. Scope of species diversity. First point introduction, second point concept of species diversity, third point scope of species diversity. Species diversity is an important tool in the biology studies and used for conservation. Species diversity is an important tool in biodiversity studies and used for conservation. Second scope, species diversity helps to assess the homogeneity of an environment as well as to determine sensitivity of species in ecosystem. Third, biological diversity is essential for human survival and economic well-being. Fourth, biological diversity plays important or a vital role in the mobility in ecosystem functions and stability of human being. Each species has role in ecosystem. Each species has role in ecosystem or ecology. 6. Variation of species provide us not only with food but also to contribute clean water, pollution absorption, building materials for home, prevention of disease outbreaks, medicinal resources and various types of needs, that is also clothes, fibers, foods. Seventh scope, species diversity also contribute to ecosystem health, that is oxygen level, ozone depletion, or to cure or to prevent ozone depletion. These are various scopes in species diversity on our earth or on our earth planet. Then types of species diversity. Biodiversity will include three main types: diversity within species, then is genetic diversity, diversity between the species called species diversity, and diversity between ecosystem is called ecosystem diversity. These are three diversity types. Then four diversity types is, some ecology included four diversity types, that is landscape diversity. Whitaker in 1972 described three terms for measuring biodiversity over spatial level, SPATIAL, spatial scales. That is alpha diversity, beta diversity and gamma diversity. Alpha, first point, alpha diversity. Alpha diversity refers to the, what do you mean by alpha, beta, gamma? Alpha diversity refers to as the average species diversity in habitats. Alpha diversity means average species present in the habitats or in the region or in the area. It is local measure to the average species diversity are found in particular area or ecosystem. That is, 1 hectare area shows thousands of plant species, but all species shows variation in number, variation in height, variation in mass, etc. Alpha diversity describes the species diversity within a community in a small scale or local scale, generally the size of one ecosystem. There is 1 hectare, 10 hectare, these are size of ecosystem, or pond water, river water, or forest, or mountain slope. These are local diversity, and alpha diversity describes the species diversity within community in a small scale or local scale, generally the size of ecosystem, that is 10 hectare size, 1 hectare size. Example, what is the example of alpha diversity? Habitat has 3 species of herbs, habitat of 3 species or 9 species or 10 species of herbs. Therefore, the alpha diversity for herbs at this species 9. Habitat has 9 species of herbs, 10 species of shrubs, 100 species of trees. That is, alpha diversity for herbs, trees are number of the, or included number 9, 10, etc. Alpha diversity is quantified by indices by rank, abundance and modes. These are some points of alpha diversity. Then second point, second types by Whitaker described for ecology or species diversity, beta diversity. Beta diversity refers to the differences in species composition among 2 or more sites or habitats or locations. There is one site, Srigonda Tehsil, other site, Mahabaleshwar Tehsil, then third site, Jawli Tehsil, then fourth site, Kopargaon Tehsil. These are variation sites or composition of species to study or more sites. They call it beta diversity. It refers to the ratio between local or alpha diversity. It refers to the ratio between local or alpha diversity and regional diversity. It is a variation of species composition between 2 habitats or regions. Variation of species diversity, that is species diversity in Nagar district and other species diversity in Satara district. These are ratio between local or alpha diversity and regional diversity. It is a variation of species composition between 2 habitats, that is habitats of Satara, habitats of Nagar, habitats of Pune district. There is 2 separate types of locality or 2 separate type of locality or locations called beta diversity. It is at large scale and looks to compare. It is at large scale looks to compare the species diversity between 2 separate locations or 2 separate areas or 2 separate countries or states or geographical areas like river, mountain, water, pond, etc. It is also defined as index of the rate of increase alpha diversity as new habitats. Alpha diversity is a local area, beta diversity is beta diversity composition large area and large locations and large geographical regions. Beta diversity also defined as index of the rate of increase of biodiversity as new habitats. Beta diversity links alpha and gamma diversity. That is, beta diversity is present in between or links alpha and gamma diversity. It is calculated the following equations, that is, number of species in habitats 1 minus number of species common in habitats 2 and 1 plus number of species in habitats 2 minus number of species common in habitats 1 and 2. The third species diversity types by Whitaker in 1972, gamma diversity. Hunter in 2002 defined gamma diversity as geographical scale species diversity. Gamma diversity is measure of the overall number of species of entire landscape. It is the total diversity of the landscape and it is combination of both alpha and beta diversity. That is, alpha diversity of species and beta diversity of species. These are both combination. That is, if in an area 10 species are present, or diversity of herbs are 10, and in alpha diversity there is also beta diversity, there is also herbs number 10, that is 10 plus 2, that is 20, 10 plus 10, that is 20 number of gamma diversity in that area, that is landscape area. It is biologically sum of all the species or habitats within the regions. Gamma diversity is studied at large scales, that is mountain slope, littoral zone of seashores. Gamma diversity is studied areas like mountain or entire mountain slope or entire littoral zone or seashore. These are three species diversity, that is alpha diversity, beta diversity and gamma diversity. In this chapter we studied or we learn species diversity definition, introduction, definition, concept, scope, alpha, beta and gamma diversity. In the examination you ask the question, what is the species diversity? What is the definition of species diversity, or define species diversity, or give the two scopes of species diversity, or define alpha diversity, beta diversity, gamma diversity, or write notes on types of diverse species diversity, or write notes on alpha diversity, beta diversity, gamma diversity. This is the small question. And large question, define species diversity or what is species diversity, use concepts and types of species diversity. Or another question, what is species diversity, give Whitaker types of, give according to Whitaker types of species diversity. These are small, long answer questions asked in the examination. This chapter is included in the credit second plant ecology, and this is my video lecture is only for educational purpose for SYBC students. We have completed introduction of ecology, concept of ecology, scope of ecology, interdisciplinary branches of ecology, types of species diversity, alpha, beta and gamma diversity, species diversity, introduction, concept of species diversity. These are some points or some articles in this diversity. Next lecture we studied or we learn types of quadrats, hotspots of India or hotspots of biodiversity, and some questions on ecology, introduction of ecology chapters. Thank you.